Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are talking about Scarab boats, Scarab jet boats, and particularly how to flush your Scarab jet boat. Maybe you took it out of the salt water, or maybe you took it into a lake and you just want to flush it out. Today's steps, we're going to show you how to do this easy. Come on back here, I'll show you what we're doing. So everybody knows that Scarab boats are powered by Rotax engines, and Rotax engines are closed loop cooling. So they have fresh water or antifreeze inside the engine. But the exhaust system is still open loop, which means you still need to flush out your exhaust after using the boat in salt water or in areas where you're just not really quite sure what's in there if you want to give it a quick flush. So today we're going to show you how to do this. First steps, you're going to need some sort of flush out adapter for the BRP, the Rotax type jet pumps. We sell them in the JetBoatPilot store. We'll put a link in the description below so you can find that. It's got a simple connection here that's going to connect to the end of your garden hose. Also, we like these ball valves here. This makes things a lot easier. Also in the JetBoatPilot store, we'll put a link below. Attach your male version here to the end of your ball valve. On the other end, you've got this male version that connects into the boat. Now on this boat, this is a newer style Scarab. You've got your flush ports up here, easy to get access to even if you're on a boat lift. But on older style Scarab boats, there actually was a different location. You didn't have them handy like this up top. Look down below here. See this little tubing right here? On older style boats, it was actually screw in there. But what they found was that for guys that are keeping these boats on boat lifts, it was hard to get down there and flush, so they moved them up into this location, much easier. So you'll thread in your adapter here. This is your quick disconnect. Just remove the cap. Don't lose that. You're gonna want to put that back when you're done. Thread that in tight. I'm gonna grab our hose, making sure that it's off right now. Once that's clicked, we're gonna go up, we're gonna start our engine. This is the starboard side, so we're gonna start the starboard motor first. We'll come back, we'll turn on the water. We're gonna make sure we get our eyes down here and make sure you got water flow. Don't run this any more than about a minute to a minute and a half tops. Set you a timer. If the engine's cold, you can run it a little longer. If the engine's hot, you're gonna wanna run it a little shorter. Once that has run, switch the water off. We'll go inside and we'll rev the throttle. You shut the engine off. So the proper method for this, so you don't get it wrong and do damage. You want to make sure that your engine on, and then your water on, and then your water off, and then your engine off. Always do it in that order. You never want to run water with the engine off. It can do damage to your engine. It's not a good thing. Repeat these steps on the second engine. Do the exact same thing. Again, it is imperative. Do not run your engines more than about a minute and a half or so. I think the book says 2 minutes, but I really recommend a minute and a half just to be extra safe. The heat exchangers beneath the boat that usually help the engine stay nice and cool because it's in contact with nice cool water. They're not in the water. They're sitting out in the open air. They just don't do as great a job keeping the engine cool. So we don't want to overheat the engine. All right, well, that's your flush procedure today. Again, if you guys have found value in these videos, do us a favor. We'd like to always ask, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, notification bell. That gets us into YouTube's algorithm, helps us a ton keeping on making this high quality content. And if you like this video, check this one out.